texted me yesterday saying she got something for me. So I'm actually right here at the mall and I'm getting ready to check it out. So definitely stay tuned and I will share with you guys what I got today. Talk to you soon. Bye. Hi, now I'm back home with my beautiful Chanel new bag and I'm ready to do an unboxing and review with you guys. I really want to thank my essay because she did a great job of finding this very beautiful one, very hard to get bag for me. And here it is, very small and yeah, pretty tiny. And can you see the shape? I'll just open it up. Ta-da! This is my new bag, the Chanel Classic Mini Vanity, and this is in the caviar leather and black and gold hardware. And this is, I would say, like a square shape. They do have like a rectangle in a vertical way. I thought she's gonna offer me that one, but this is so much better because for that one, I'm not really sure if I would buy it. So this is definitely the one I've been looking for. Not necessarily has that camellia flower on top because I think that one is like newer. But this is still very good. I'm definitely gonna keep it and it looks so cute. So let me pull the chain out. Wow, look at this. This is a perfect length. And let me put it on for you. Now you can see why I said this is a perfect length. So this is like right around my waistline. I was thinking to maybe tie it underneath it, but I really don't need to. This is perfect. I look so cute. Like I can imagine myself in the summer dresses or, you know, clothing. This would look just perfect around my waistline here. And I don't need to tie it or anything. Look at how cute it is. Okay, so now I'm gonna open it up for you. It's actually a bit hard to open or close just because there's the angle of the zipper. But I think once you wear this like often and you open and close it often, it will get smoother. Look at here, the top. And this is just a authenticity card and the tag of the bag. This is 21S, the newest. Not the newest, because I'm still looking for that one with the camellia flower. And take a look at the leather, really beautiful. And compared to the regular lambskin, the caviar leather, it's even better. And I like the fact that it has this lipstick holder in here. So you can see, I can put this perfectly in there. And of course, you know, you can put all the cards in it. Very roomy. You can actually fit them in the bottom. And definitely not your phone, no phone, but I think just some basic like car keys and what else? What else do I usually get? Car keys and maybe some eyeshadow or, you know, foundation, powder, whatever makeup you usually use can fit inside. So not the kind of bag you would. So this is just, well, anyway, this is just not for phones. This is for you to make a statement, This is just the so this is just a trend for the season, and it's perfect for lipstick. And remember I said like you can tie it if it's too long, but again for me this is perfect. So but you still, I guess you can tie it inside the cover, like this. Put it in, and then zip it up. And look how cute it is. You make a little bit like a shoulder bag. Oh, I love it. Absolutely love it. Love this baby. It's like a shoulder bag. How cute. And you can make it even shorter, right? So just imagine this is like this big, and then it's a little handbag. You can just hold it in the summer. So yeah, and you put the chain inside when you want to store this bag, so this won't leave any, you know, marks on it. This is just perfect, and I absolutely adore this bag. So the price for this bag is $1,600. I mean, it's a small bag and it's pricey. And I know their small leather goods are like in high, very, very high demand. So it's very hard to get. Then I would say this is worth it because I think this is so popular and looks so cute. And they don't usually make things like this. It's only for this season, the previous season as well. So if you kind of like a Chanel collector and you want to get your own Chanel collection, I think this is definitely one of the pieces you should get. Again, this is very hard to get. There's a long wait list, but if you think this is a good investment and I want to keep it in your collection, yeah, definitely go for it. I know they also have like a light pink for this season. I'm not really into that one just because it's too light. And you know, it's easy to get dirty. So this black one with the gold hardware is just perfect. And the caviar leather, well, definitely no flaws for this one. I hope you enjoy my video. I really love this bag. Let me know what you think. So please feel free to leave me a comment down below. Again, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.